Where are you?
I'm right here, boy! How's it going, guys? Trent199 here, bringing you another video. This one, we're installing an aftermarket doubled-in headset into a 99 to 04 Ford Mustang. Now let's go. Gotta get the garage door open. Why, hello there. Alright, my dudes, so we just took out the factory head unit for the 2003 Mustang GT Premium with the Mach 460 sound system with the good old 6 CD changer in here. But there's something better. Let's throw this in the trash. Because we have this. The Sony XAV W651 BT. It's pretty darn freaking great because it's got a good old, I think, 5.2 inch touchscreen display. It's got Bluetooth. It's got a bunch of other things. And yeah, it's got a DVD player. You want to watch some movies on your way to a car meet, by all means do so, but yeah, pretty darn good radio, I'd say. And here's the puppy. There we go, good old, I think it's 5.2 inches, I don't know. Not the sharpest tool in the shed, but yeah, this is what we're going to be installing today. And what you're going to need is, you are going to need a couple cables that you would need to wire in, as I did prior. This is what I have. You gotta splice a lot of things. Like this wire, it's spliced like, I don't know, friggin' 4 or 5 times. But yeah, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need to get a connector that connects to the OEM stereo system connector. Although this all depends upon the audio system you have in your car. I have the Mach 460 system, so it might be different for some of the lower or upper models. And another thing you also need to get is this right here. This is for the amplifier and or subwoofers. If you do please to have those, or if you have the Mach 1000, that would be included in that. And as you can see, this can be a wee bit of a mess, and this all just kind of links to the main connector that hooks up to the back of ye old Sony head unit. Ka-chow. It's all hooked up there. And with this right here, you would need to hook up this to the auxiliary input for the audio. Keep in mind, you can play it with just this main connector, but you'll need this if you want the bass. And I mean, come on. You don't get rid of these like, oh, I just want treble in my music. No. You need all this together to have one fantastic cohesive product at the end. But yeah, link in the description for these two connectors. Yeah, you might need. You just might need it. But let's get rid of this for now. And in order to mount this specific head unit, or any doubled-in head unit rather, to the stock stereo input, you're going to need a kit to mount it in. See, I got it's a few pieces. You just plop ye old set together. There's some tabs in here you put it into. There's one side. And you got this side right here. Plop them into the tabs. And then you just put this guy in there, however he fits. And then Bing, bang, boom. You just gotta screw her into place however you need it. And then that should look just like that. Should fit right into place. And also with that, you'd be wondering, oh, there's a fourth piece. Yeah, there's a fourth piece. It connects back here. Screws in right there. And that connects to the metal track that runs along the bottom in order to keep it in place. But yeah, link to this kit is also in the description. And now, back outside for the installation. Alright guys, so what you're going to need to do to take out this center console in order to get access to put good old stereo system in is to take this piece and this piece out. I had already taken the liberty of getting rid of the stock head unit, so we just gotta get the clips on both sides taken out. Alright, we got the first piece taken out. The second one, there's some clips you need to plop out, but it just kind of sits like that. And, hang on, let's start her up for a second. You're gonna need to put her into neutral. Alright, let her warm up for a little bit. Crank, good old e-brake. Since it's an automatic, we're gonna wanna shift her into neutral so we don't hurt any of the gears. This should give us enough room, and then we gotta unclip a few of these tabs here. So yeah, once you get this guy out of your way, you're gonna need to pinpoint these specific connectors you're gonna need to hook up, which are this one and this one, which are right here, here, and you're also going to need to connect your antenna. Make sure about that, because if you don't do that, your radio will not work, so just keep that in mind. Alright, once you get all your wiring and everything installed, make sure that this piece right here, this little clip, it has to go into right here, and it goes along this track to the back. Keep that in mind, because that keeps it stationary. Alright, and with this, we're just going to want to slide all this good stuff in here. Don't want to make a horrible mess of everything. And then when it's in there, make sure you hook up the antenna where it's supposed to be hooked up. And there we go. Now we just need to get this guy on the track. Alright, that slides in just like that. Make sure you need to screw in everything that's required for it to work properly. And we gotta put this bad boy in place first. Keep that in mind. That needs to go in first. No movement. It's pretty darn solid in there. It doesn't move at all. Now we need to put this bottom piece into place. Click her in. There we go. Now everything should be in here properly. Let's start her up. Well, we got power. And she's connected to my Bluetooth. All right. So yeah, guys, that will conclude it for today's video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more content. And as always, see you guys next time.